So hey guys, this is Aditya Mhatre and we will be looking at something called the FlexBox, which let you design a more flexible and responsive layouts in CSS. So here we have four what we call it boxes with different colors. I have created it using div tags and given the background color to it. So it with width and height of 100 pixels. So this is what it looks like. Since it's a div tag, it takes every block at a new line. Okay. So let us give a display as flex to the body tag. So it will assign it a flex layout. So if you can see, every block is in row now because the default flex direction for this is a row. We can change it, like we can assign it as a column, so it will go ahead one by one. So first property is flex direction. Let's add it in your property table. It have to this row and column. It also have the row reverse and column reverse. Let us give it height of 100 width. So whole block will be selected. It also have the properties like values like column reverse, and see that column reverse, it will reverse the column, and we also have the row reverse, so it will be looking like this. Let's add it in this. So our next property is, just set to the row. This is it. Next property is the justify content. So justify content have basically is like baseline, center, end, flex end, flex start, left, right, and stretch. The default value is stretch. If I stretch it, nothing will happen. So let's we can give it like a justify the center, so it will justify to the center. Since we are using row as a flex direction, it will center it horizontally, and if we use column, it will center it vertically. Something this will look like. So let's get back to the row. Then let's add it to comments. So its default value is stretch. Send that also. So we also have what we have flex start. It will go at here because our flex is starting from there. Let's add it here, the comment. We also have flex end. It will start from the end. We also have what we call space around, so it will, every block will have equal size of space around it. You can see here, so if you consider this as a 1, it is 1 and it is 1, because that's why they are looking like 2. If you can see each block having space around it, let's add that also. We also have space between, so only in between the 2 blocks there will be space, you can see, and let's add it. Also have space evenly, so we have even space at left and right. And if you are using a column top and bottom, so it will look like this. Let's keep it like this. Our next property is align items. Align items similarly has a baseline, center, flex start, and stretch. Default value is stretch. The default value is flex start. Let's take it as a center. If we keep it as a center and we have a flex text as a row, so it will align the item at vertically center, looking at this. And if we have column, it will align horizontally center. Sorry, let me save it. Sorry. So this, let's get back to the row. Let's add the comment for the values. So we have align item center. Default value is flex start. We also have flex end. It will at the end of the flex. Then we stretch will not work because we have given the div as width and height, so let us keep it center like this. So these were the basic properties which we can work with width and height also, but if you are using without giving the width and height, it will flex it like according to the contents. So I think this is it for the part 1. Other properties will be done at covered at part 2, so keep in touch. Thank you.